Mr. Castro?
Good to see you.
How'd you do tonight? How'd you feel up there?
I felt great. You know, it's always a battle for time up there because there are 12 people on the stage, but the time that I did get, I thought I made the most use of. And I've tried to articulate in this campaign a strong, positive, compelling vision. And from the very beginning of the campaign, to lift up the voices of some of the most vulnerable communities out there. And so I think I did that tonight about how we're going to create jobs for all Americans, how we're going to make sure that we protect folks from police brutality, ensure that we tackle climate change. You know, we had a good conversation up there tonight, even though we didn't get to all of the subjects that I think we should get to.
We were just talking about this being the first debate that we've had the opportunity to discuss impeachment publicly on stage. Everyone seems to be in consensus about where that stands to a certain degree. How did you feel about the questions put to the former vice president about the role his son played? Do you feel like he answered those adequately? If it's not okay for his son to be in those roles as president, why wasn't it okay when he was vice president?
Yeah, I thought he answered them well. And I agree with some on the stage who said, you know, why are we focused on that when we have a president who's committing crimes actively right now in office? And we should be focused on the guy who is president and who tried to obstruct justice, as Mueller chronicled, and then made this call to Ukraine, is trying to get countries to do his political dirty work. You know, he's basically using the 2016 playbook that he used against Hillary Clinton. He's trying to use that against Joe Biden, and I think Joe Biden is an honorable man, that he and his family are honest. I have my disagreements with the vice president, whether it's on healthcare policy or immigration or other things, but I fundamentally believe that this is just Donald Trump's playbook to smear somebody, and that we should focus on the things that Donald Trump is doing.
Now we've got the November debate just around the corner, one debate to the next debate, but it is a marker for these campaigns as we sort of move towards the end of the year. How are you feeling about November? Do you feel like you're going to qualify? What happens if you don't make it?
I'm going to work as hard as I can to get there. You know, we have about 3.5 weeks. We need 4 polls. We already met the number of donor threshold, the donor requirement. You know, I'm going to work as hard as I can to get there. I hope that folks will go to my website, JulianCastro.com, and help us with the resources to get there. But we're going to keep fighting.
Julian Castro, Secretary, thank you so much, sir. Thanks for coming on ABC News Live.
Thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.